Hi everyone, this is Dima with Bearable Traders, and I would like to do a trading recap for you. This morning I had Fuel Cell and Plug on my watch list. Generally, the EV sector was in play this morning, but as I was watching the four stocks, I saw that Fuel Cell was getting ready to do my favorite strategy, which is the 5-minute ORB, open range breakup in this case. So the range is the top and the bottom of the body of the first 5-minute candle, and the break of that range is the strategy. But I also like to have an ABCD on the 1 minute to just make it an A plus setup for better odds. So as the price was moving up, I was really liking what was going on. It was going up, and then it came and it pulled back. It bounced off this 9 moving average, which is a criteria for the ABCD, and then I decided that I am going to take it at the break of the 1 minute prior. But as I was deciding to do that, I saw these rejection wicks that I didn't like. They were all at the same level. So I'm like, okay, I will wait till it crossed that level to be safe. Meanwhile, my stop was already set at below the VWAP. This is where the stop should be at this point. So then I noticed this line here, this purple line, which is the open price level, which is another resistance. So I thought, oh, maybe I should wait as it crosses that. So as I was going through that process, I'm not realizing how extended this is. I'm just kind of going one little thing at a time. And then it makes a new 1 minute high, and then that corresponds with this break of the first 5-minute range. And so I go along right here. And then I realized right away that this is so extended. My stop is here, my entry's here. I mean, 1R is right here, and that's too much to expect from this stock. So then I stayed in it, but my finger was on the trigger. And once it rejected and it came back, as soon as it made 1 minute low, I was out. I got all out, and I was really happy with that. I'm sort of happy now, in this particular case of how wide the stop is, because it gave me a second to decide what to do without losing money. If my stop, say, was right here, it would have stopped me out, complete, our loss, and then I would have changed my thought process going forward. So I'm really happy with how I managed this. And then as I was watching other stocks and Fuel Cell, it started to make a really nice ABCD right here with this hammer. I really like to see pull back to the 9 moving average, a much better risk to reward. I should show it clear. So my stop was right here. My entry was here. There was more room to go up. And that also corresponded with the third candle breaking the range of the first 5 minutes. It also gave that confirmation of what we call 3-bar play. Combination of candles, which is one long white candle, small red candle, and one long white candle. So I was pretty comfortable with that. Went full risk here. And I partialed at 1 hour. I didn't want to do that, but I did not like that it kind of didn't keep going. It just kind of hovered here. So I took a partial, put my stop at break even, and I was just relaxed after that. And then I partialed at 2R here, and when the next candle did not make a new high, I was all out. So that's my strategy, 5-minute ORB. To make it A+, I have an ABCD setup on the 1 minute. The volume, ascending, above average. First one was not bad. It was above average, but this looked better. And then for harmonious charts, we have hard to see, but ABCD on the 2 minutes. 60 minutes looks really nice. RSI above 50, not a deal breaker, but nice confirmation to have. And then the daily was gapping up, which supports the direction of my trading. And then the ATR was $1.11. And at the point where I took the second trade, Fuel Cell was up 82 cents. So it wasn't used up, but pretty up there. I was still comfortable, with taking 20, 30 cents. And that's it. So that's my trading for today. And the lesson is to get out when you have a loser, get out fast, and stay when you have a winner. Um, Easier said than done, I know, but getting out should be easy. We're naturally, our emotions want us to get out of the stressful situation, whether you have a winner and you want to keep the winning, or a loser and you don't want to lose anymore. So getting out should be easier when you're not sure. Getting back in, it does require more confidence in the strategy, in your criteria and experience. So that will come with time, I promise. So in the meantime, when you're not sure, just get out and deal with the rest later. Thank you so much. Have a great day.